we're not designed to be indoors all day. We're meant to be a part of that environment. And I think it's also what's going to help people understand why it's important to protect. We can't expect people to look after the environment if they don't love it. Keane wants people outdoors, enjoying the outdoors, and then doing something to protect it.
If you go outside, you actually see what's happening in nature. So you are confronted with a lot of pollution, and seeing it makes you also decide that you have to do something about it.
The Better Takes Action Tour is all about making people aware of what's going on, but in a good way.
It gives people something that they can do about these issues. It gets people outside, it gets people having fun and actually enjoying doing something positive.
It's all about taking action, but also involving as many people as possible. So we started this in Amsterdam, and now together with Keane we can actually go into different cities in Europe.
People can get involved in this tour in several ways. They can join the boat, fish for plastic. They can also do their part from home.
One easy way to reduce plastic is to take your own coffee cup.
Bring your own soap bar when you travel.
Use a bamboo toothbrush.
Bring your own bag.
Buy fruit and veg without packaging.
Ask for a drink without straw.
Refuse plastic bags.